Let me continue with the program. Now, in order to display the file, you need another function. How do you create the function? The keyword def followed by name of the function symbol colon. You can write a document string used to display the text file. Now, step 1, file must be opened for reading purpose. So you can use the open function. Two arguments are there. First argument, name of the file that you want to open. So you can copy paste this one. Second argument is file mode. It's reading purpose. So you can use R and let variable ifs point to this file. Okay. Now, in order to read the whole data present in a file, the read function is there. It is a function of the ifstream class. So it should be called as ifs.read. Now you can store it in a string variable s. So variable s contains the whole data present in this text file. Now data should be displayed in the computer's monitor. So you can write print s. Once the use is over, you close the file. So one more function is ready. Now in order to calculate the size of the file, let me create another function. So I am going to copy paste this one. Okay, so here you can write size of the file used to calculate the size of the file. Okay, now the file is opened for reading purpose. You read the whole data present in the file. S is pointing to the whole data. Now if you want the size of the file, here you can write size of the file equals, there is a function by the name length of string. Okay, so this will give you the size of the file. Now let me count the number of words present in the file. So right click, copy, paste, and here you can give a name words used to calculate the number of words. So using this function, you read the whole data. So S is pointing to the whole data present in the file. Okay, now I am going to split the string S based on space. So how can you split that? S dot split. So if you don't pass any argument, by default it is space. So this string will be splitted on the basis of space, and your list L contains all the words. Okay, so please understand the use of split function. S dot split, the string S will be splitted on the basis of space, because if you don't pass anything, by default it is space. So L contains all the words present in the file, and if you want the number of words, you can write like this: number of words equals, it is length of the list L. Okay, because length of list L will give you number of elements present in the list, and number of elements present in the list is nothing but number of words in the file. Now you need to find the number of lines present in the file. So you can copy paste this one. Here you can give a name for your function. You can change the document string used to calculate the number of lines. Okay, so this will read the whole data. S is pointing to the whole data. Now let me split S based on new line character. Okay, so let me split the string S based on new line character. So now your list L contains all the lines present in the text file. So here you can write number of lines equals equal to this one. Okay, so few more functions are ready. Now I will incorporate all these functions in the main function, and the complete program will be written. Now before I go to the next video tutor, here I made use of a function by the name getSize that is present in the module os.path. So certainly you need to import the module os. Okay, so after writing the comment you can import all the necessary modules. So import os. Now you can save your file and the remaining functions. The main function will be explained in the next video tutor.